All right, so we just got a call for a car that's stuck on the Lava Point Road. I think it's some sort of little Ford Focus. Ford Focus. We got Max and Lady back there, and we got Rudy here.
Yeah.
Tim's gonna be meeting us in the filming Jeep, and we're gonna go get this done. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the car down here on the level ground and just hook up to it and see if we can get it pulled out. Here. Okay, pull forward just a little.
Well, $1,300 is resting in a stranger's hand right now.
I think it's capable. After talking to him on the way up, I'm not concerned at all.
Lady.
So Tim, how are you gonna film this?
I'm gonna run up and get you running by. I'm gonna tell her to take it back.
So it's up to you. If you want one of us to drive the car. Come on, Max, lady, let's go. Load up. Load up. So they were really awesome couple, and we went up there and got them pulled out of there. We had Rudy pilot the car up. They're following us down now. That's their headlights back there behind Max. We're gonna make sure they get to dry pavement. So we're just kind of moseying down the mountain.
Okay, I need to just land that thing. It's. I'm gonna put it in your truck.
Okay. Where do you want to land it? Do you want me to just grab it?
Yeah, film this. I'll land it really quick.
Okay.
Controller 2. The controls are set up for 2, so just let me know when it starts to get low, and we'll change the battery. Just be careful because the auto sensors are off.
Okay, got it.
So this is what we're gonna do. We only need one sight picture. So I'm gonna have you run this for 1 second.
Sure. Is it already recording?
It's recording.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're just letting you guys catch up and get wherever
Okay.
you want to be.
So this is
Okay.
what you're gonna help me film.
Alright.
So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna set you up right by the Jeep.
Okay.
We're gonna angle the camera so it's facing them.
Uh-huh.
Where we've got a good sight picture. We're not gonna move it until they pass. When they pass, all you're gonna do
pan.
is turn it in a circle.
Yep.
And then just point it.
How far up do you want me to be?
And then I'm gonna be outside with the camera.
When I see you outside, I'll go.
Okay.
Got it.
But you never thought you'd have this much fun doing recovery, huh? I already clipped a branch earlier.
Oh no. Good thing you didn't clip the propeller.
Oh, it did.
Oh no. I'm surprised it's still flying. Okay.
So, all we're gonna do is we're gonna bring it up. No,
Okay.
not yet, not yet. And I don't know how much of this. Then you'll literally, all you'll do is hit this left button and turn it around.
Okay, so I'm going to pan. Yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
So it sounds like you know what you're doing.
Yep.
So, all I gotta just try and line it up.
Okay.
There you go. You can sit in the truck.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Wait, where's it?
Good. Hey, no. Yep. Just leave it right there where it's at.
Yep.
Okay. How's it look?
Good.
Okay, we'll land it. We'll land it really quick. You wanna? The tricky part, no sensors. I guess this is gonna work for now.
It should work. Nice.
Man, all the sensors are off.
That'll do it. That's good.
I think it's all right.
okay.
Okay. Will you hold it?